gotta like shuck it, I guess. So that's, you know, I'm kind of learning to do that. And yeah, this is how we're doing it. You guys can see here, they have the most beautiful corn. Really good. And yeah, I'm not always like the best with checking ever, you guys, but I do know their corn here is amazing. So, no, it was definitely learning how to do that better. There we go. Coming over fast enough. And then I guess this part. Oh, and look at that. Okay. And then we have right here our beautiful like perfect corn. And